Hey 7A, how you guys doing? I love reading about your daily check-ins and kind of what you feel about certain things. And obviously, you know my love for Disney, so I wanted to kind of double check on what you guys picked for this week's Walt Disney Wednesday. So this time, I picked favorite Disney Channel original show. Last week was favorite Disney Channel original movie, and Descendants beat out Zombies, which I was actually pretty surprised by. I picked Descendants, but um, anyways, this one was very interesting, and I actually almost did not put Good Luck Charlie on the survey, but then I thought back and remembered that you guys liked Good Luck Charlie. So Good Luck Charlie had the majority of votes with 40%. Bunked had one vote at 6.7%. Jesse, 26.7. That's what I voted for. And Austin and Allie also had 26.7. So Jesse and Austin and Allie are pretty close. They're exactly same amount. Hopefully you guys are having fun with these. I do have them planned for the rest of the year, so I'm going to post them. So hopefully you guys can take part in that. All right. Have a good one. I will see you guys later.